Hey dear guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram account compare insights trick. Now, to compare Instagram metrics against competitors or your own past performance without paying for external softwares that are very expensive, you can just use the official native tool known as Competitive Insights. Now, to access this feature, all you have to do is open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon, then access these professional dashboard option. Here you can just see your insight from by tapping on views on the last 30 days option, or you can just select a time range. Also, if you scroll down a bit, you can see your audience from top cities, top countries, top age ranges and gender. Now go back. Now from here you should be able to find another option called Competitive Insights. However, it is not shown in mine, but it should be available in yours. And once you do so, go ahead and tap on it. Then tap the add icon and type in the handles of up to 10 competitor accounts in your niche. And choose your preferred time. Then filter the within the last 90 days, 30 days, and so on. Then the app will generate a side-by-side comparison matrix showing followers growth rate and posting frequency and also content variations. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you have any question or queries, please do comment down below.